Hello everybody, this is Jonathan over at Sprout Lending. So one of the first things you guys asked me was how do we build and establish business credit? So I'm going to run through a step-by-step guide that's going to help you do just that. So one, make sure your phone number is listed and it's a business phone number. Make sure you have an active website and make sure your business is listed on Google. Okay. Two, establish and maintain strong credit relationships with suppliers and vendors. Meaning, if you buy from the same people month after month, ask them if you can go on a net 30, net 45, or net 60 pay cycle. Right. Also, if they don't do that, that's fine, but then open up company accounts at, let's say, Staples or somewhere where you get office supplies, and make sure they report. Okay. Next, have a business tax ID number or an EIN. All right. Also, make sure you have a business bank account. I can't stress enough how important that is. Have a business bank account, and you should have that early on. 4, always pay your bills on time. I know that sounds simple, but some people don't. Open up a business credit card. So if you want help with that, that's something we can actually help you with, and we have a lot of good lines open that we can open for you, right? That are business credit cards. Next, always monitor your credit. Monitor your business credit and also monitor your personal credit. You can do that with Credit Check Total. There's a lot of different services you can use to make sure that you're monitoring your credit. Next, you can apply for a Dun & Bradstreet number. So go to Dun & Bradstreet, register for a number, register your business, and people will start reporting. And then last but not least, borrow from lenders who report back to the bureaus. So if you came to us for financing, we have lenders that report and lenders that don't report. It really depends on how you score out and how well you're going to qualify. So most of the line of credit options will report. Some of the alternative financing options will also report. I hope this helps you. This is just a quick step-by-step guide. If you guys have any questions, please get in touch with me and I'll be happy to answer them.